don't underestimate the power of simply saying thank you to our veterans. They're entitled, as there are some 23 million veterans today in the United States living. And they've earned this title, including to those that currently serve in uniform today. Notes in caps, but when you hear the first three, almost everyone recognizes it for what it is. I've chased the wind alone and flung my eager craft through footless halls of air.